Hi. So you want to get the 5/16 wrench, okay? And take all these off. Very interesting, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a good smell?
Yeah.
I'm supposed to cover this, but I don't.
Oops. I just got my finger in the way. Your camera is like right
I know.
here.
Perfect.
So you just what?
I'm supposed to cover this, but I don't.
Oh. Yeah, I was looking at it thinking, we should get a cover.
Yeah, I mean we should. So anyway, what you gotta be careful. So
I'm
usually
watching.
what I do is I pull this up, but the whole fan comes up, so you gotta be careful.
Oh, okay. Oops.
And the wire, and then I will take the vacuum and vacuum in there because there's leaves and stuff. You just gotta be careful of the wires. And you put this back. And whatever you do, don't turn it on without putting this. Oh, I see. This came through.
Oh, that hose there. Yeah, okay.
You don't want to put this. You don't want to turn it on without the screws in. Otherwise, the fan could hit the side.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Riza, come on.
And then you push this up.
Okay.
And that's it.
That's it? Okay.
And then you go turn it on.
Okay.
Got it?
Uh-huh.
Good.
Get it.
Get it. Good.
Okay.
Okay.